गर्मी की छुट्टियां आ रही हैं और बच्चों की फरमाइशों का पिटारा खुलने वाला है। Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. आज हम बनाएंगे hung curd sandwiches filled with your favorite veggies. A great sandwich needs its butter, and we will make the butter better by using the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk, which enhances the flavor of the sandwich, and the probiotics in this butter spread help support immunity. I'm sure you know hung curd is an excellent source of calcium and protein. Vegetables and whole wheat bread are full of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Absolutely power packed. So let's get started. Okay, so these hung curd sandwiches are really easy to make. We've got hung curd here. तो जो दही है उसको मसलिन क्लॉथ में या मलमल में उसको हैंग करके रखे और जितना भी उसका वे है जो पानी है वो निकल जाता है. Then you get this and it's this consistency. So we use around 200 grams of hung curd. इसमें हम डालते हैं कैप्सिकम, रेड कैबेज, normal cabbage, carrots, corn, mayonnaise, 2 बड़े चम्मच, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा salt, मुझे थोड़ा सा तीखा अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन अगर आप बच्चों के लिए बना रहे हैं, अगर आप टबास्को सॉस नहीं इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, वो आपकी मर्जी. But I use a little bit, just gives a bit of a kick. And you just mix it all in. That's it. That's how it will look. It all comes together. Now we use our hero, Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. This is a great sandwich. Just depends on how you want to present it. अब आप filling लीजिए. Spread a nice thick layer, because then you get a nice bite when you eat your sandwich. That's it. आप इसको ट्रायंगुलर शेप में भी काट सकते हैं, और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना हो बच्चों के लिए तो उसको 4 में भी काट सकते हैं. बट आई लाइक टू कीप इट सिंपल. You can just put some baked chips. You can put tapioca wafers, or you can put potato chips. And that's it. Yum! These hung curd sandwiches will definitely melt in your mouth. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread just takes the taste to a notch higher. It's truly the butter way to do it. Do try this recipe at home, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. और क्या? स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.